Located in the heart of downtown Indianapolis, the Indiana Government Center was in need of a renovation on their modified bitumen roof. Years of wear and tear had led to faulty conditions, and with the warranty expired, the building was in need of guaranteed protection. The main issue on this roof was the expired warranty. Acting as a major government center for the state of Indiana, it was imperative that the roof did not leak and cause a slowdown of the center's day-to-day operations. Utilizing Progressive Materials' 15-year watertight warranty, the Government Center now has a decade and a half of guaranteed leak protection. After completing all phases of the project, the state of Indiana was very pleased with the roof restoration. Their aging modified bitumen roof now has a 15-year warranty and is guaranteed to keep water out of the building. On top of that, the cost savings from the UV protection on the roof will add up quickly. The final benefit to the state on this job was the fact that choosing a PM Silicone restoration over a new roof saved the taxpayers money. It is estimated that the state of Indiana saved over $250,000 on this project alone, simply by choosing PM Silicone. For more information, please visit pmsilicone.com.